um, virtual reality game for Google Cardboard on Unity 3D. The asset I have imported is Viking Village as per the instructions given. So here's the game. I've played a little bit with the field of view, which was previously set as 60, and I have increased it to 85. And now let's move on to the game. So this is the path I have chosen to show the navigation. So when I touch the screen, it moves towards the direction. And if I move around, I can see the surroundings as well. I can move further. So it happens that if I touch the screen into the direction I want to move, I can actually move into that direction. And I do collide with the obstacles. And if I move again, yes, I can move. I've built this on Android tablet. So that's my game. Thank you.